In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your Etrade password. Whether you've forgotten it or just want to update it for security reasons, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. So, let's get started and ensure you regain access to your account without any hassle. First, you need to navigate to the Etrade login page. Once there, you'll see the familiar Log On button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on this button to begin the process. Now, instead of entering your usual login details, you'll want to scroll down the page a little. Here, you'll find an option that says Forgot your user ID or password. Click on this link to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to enter either your user ID or the email address associated with your Etrade account. It's important to ensure that you enter the correct information here, as this helps Etrade identify your account for the next steps. Once you've entered your details, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These instructions are designed to verify your identity, which is a crucial step in maintaining the security of your account. After successfully verifying your identity, Etrade will send a secure password reset link to the email address linked to your account. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Etrade. Remember to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away, as sometimes these emails can end up there by mistake. Once you've located the email, click on the secure link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. When choosing your new password, it's a good idea to make it strong and unique to enhance the security of your account. Consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting your new password, the final step is to return to the Etrade login page. Enter your user ID and your newly created password to log in. If everything has been done correctly, you should now have access to your account with your new password in place. And that's how you reset your Etrade password. By following these steps, you've ensured your account remains secure while regaining access swiftly. If you ever find yourself needing to reset your password again, just come back to this guide or keep these steps in mind. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your login information safe and secure. Have a great day.